You've got something that's not grain bins. It's stuff that makes it's kind of like the old commercial from BASF. We don't make the stuff you use every day. We make the stuff you use every day better. You don't make grain bins. You make grain bins better. Talk to me.
Absolutely. Yeah. OPI is the kind of the pioneer for on-farm digital temperature and moisture monitoring and automation. We've been at this is our 40th year. And like I said, pioneered the digital cable and have continued to innovate ever since. We're in 70 countries around the world and continue to develop, new products and services to keep grain safe and to maximize the profit for farmers.